guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here because I have been trying the new FOREO bear for nearly 2 weeks now and I have been loving it. This is not a sponsored video, just so you guys know. This is genuinely because I feel like this is an amazing device if you're looking to keep your skin firm and looking its best. So I thought I'd do a demo slash review. So if you want to see what I think about this goodie here, obviously you already know that I love it, but if you want to see what I think about it, keep watching. Okay, let's get close and personal. Too much too fast. Okay, let's go into the actual reason why we're here. So this is FOREO's first microcurrent device. It has some really cool features, and you also get it in 2 sizes. There is a mini of the bear, and one of my favorite features of the device is that it has T-sonic pulsations. It's great to keep that glow going on that we love. And I use the bear with the serum that they sell kind of to go with it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and apply the serum and work the face with the bear. First things first, you need to wash your face. Make sure that your face is cleansed and clean, and then you apply your serum. I like 4 pumps. I just like to feel like my skin is hydrated when I do this. So I apply the serum all over my face. And I don't know if it's scented. I can't smell anything really. And like I said, I've been using the bear for a while now, so I don't really use it with the app, but to make it work for the first time, you do need to download the FOREO app and make sure it's paired. I have the Luna FOFO too, so I have both devices here. If you guys want a review about the FOFO, let me know. It is also a device I use every single day and love, so I can give you my thoughts on that too. But today we're doing the bear, and all you would have to do is you press start. You would start your treatment, choose the microcurrent level that you want. I'm gonna keep it at 20, pulsation on for sure, and then you would start. The cool thing is it guides you, it tells you what to do, but then obviously the first time you do it, you kind of know what to do next time. So like it says, to put your serum, work it around that face, girl. It is a really nice serum. I would definitely recommend. It just feels really light, very cooling. And yeah, just taking her time here. And then it tells you to do that motion, which is basically this. I forgot to put some serum on my neck, so and ta-da, that's you done. And I like this routine because it doesn't take too long. It probably takes me less than 2 minutes to do the whole face. And I just feel like it helps my skin absorb the product I'm going to put after. And I was super impressed with one little thing specific. Obviously my skin looks great and it feels like it's just all in place because obviously you're doing a workout for your face. But one thing in specific that I was super impressed is this line over here that I have. It has been kind of on my mind that I don't like having that kind of definition, but ever since I started using the bear, I feel like the line is not as harsh as it was. It's a shame that I don't have a video to show you guys how it was maybe 2 weeks ago, but I just feel like this is more toned, hence why you can't see that defined line. And if it's doing this over here, I can only imagine what it will do to my whole face, you know, over a long period of time. So definitely impressed with it. I love how it makes my skin feel, and it just feels like things are, you know, really working and getting in place. Just like your body, you need to exercise it in order for it to look its best. And to clean it, it's super easy. It is waterproof, super hygienic, like anything else you would expect from FOREO. I normally just rinse it off with some warm water. So yeah, big thumbs up from me to the bear. It is pretty damn cool. It is a bit pricey, but I feel like once you hit a certain age, you need to make some investments to keep your skin looking good. Not just your skin, I mean everything. It's all about investing in yourself, and as long as you're happy, that's what matters. But if you do want to check it out, I'm gonna leave the link down below and it'll take you straight to the FOREO Bare. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted it to be to the point and nice and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But until next time,